Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta at home using an easy method. You'll need just a few common ingredients: all-purpose flour, fresh eggs, and a little salt. For every 100 grams of flour, plan on using 1 large egg. This simple ratio is the foundation for delicious, fresh pasta. It's a fun and rewarding process that yields incredible results, far superior to store-bought options. Now let's get our hands dirty. Create a well in your flour on a clean surface, then crack the eggs directly into it. Slowly mix the flour into the eggs until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead this dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll feel it transform into a smooth, elastic ball. Once kneaded, cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender pasta. With your dough rested, it's time to roll. Divide the dough into smaller, more manageable pieces. Using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll each piece very thinly, aiming for a thickness of about 1 to 2 millimeters. This thinness is key for delicate pasta. Once rolled, you can cut the sheets into your favorite shapes, like classic fettuccine or wider tagliatelle. It's amazing how quickly fresh pasta comes together. Finally, the best part: cooking and enjoying your homemade pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Fresh pasta cooks incredibly fast, usually in just 2 to 4 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it quickly and toss it immediately with your favorite sauce. Serve it hot and savor the truly exceptional taste and texture that only fresh, homemade pasta can offer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.